Hello from Tajmotormedics. I've got a Peugeot 308 here on a 2011-2012 plate. As you can see, the centre stop lamp is working, but the side one isn't. Now I'm not sure which one it is. I'm assuming it's the top one. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to replace both of them on the rear. So I'll show you how it's done. It is a simple procedure. Yeah, that's it. Let go of the brakes, please. Thank you. So what you've got to do, you need a flat screwdriver. You can do either size, flat screwdriver, and then you need a 10mm socket. That's what you need. Wedge the screwdriver in there, and then gently pull it out. That's it, pull it out. That's what you've got to do. Do not put pressure on the lens, it will break. So once that's out, and that's it, the whole thing comes out. So these little lugs here, this will kind of clip in to there. Okay, so now what we're going to do, we're going to remove the rear tail light. Right, once you undo the screws, if they are really tight, use a ratchet, but it is a 10mm. So take the screw out. Then I get the other one as well. Make sure, sorry, the nut out. Make sure you don't drop the nut anywhere, otherwise you will be in trouble. So I've got the two nuts out, put it on the side. All I then do is wiggle, wiggle, take the whole thing out. Once I take it out, right, okay, so what you got to do is push the clip in and then wiggle, wiggle with the plug. Once you got it out, you just need to make sure it's all clean, the plug is all clean, it's not rusted away, or on the inside of that as well. Okay, once you got everything done, you looked at it, it's all good. You got clips 1, 2, there's one on the inside here, one here, one here, one here. So you push these back and then bring it up a little bit. That's it. Then you do this one, then you do the inside one, then you do the far end one, then you do this one. Alright, that's all out. So what we're going to do is, I assume it was that bulb there. So it is a 380 bulb. If you did want one, you can find that in the link in the description as well. Undo this. Holy moly, I just dropped it. We'll get a dustpan out in a minute, don't worry. So I've got a new bulb in. So that's a double filament. Slot the bulb through. And that's it, job done. Just remember the seal as well. So make sure the seal is intact. Before I put everything back together, I'm just going to check, make sure the lights are working. I'm just going to keep it in that position. I'm going to check the brakes. Yeah, that's lovely. Right, now that we know the brake light's working, so it's going to be a problem on the other side as well. Exact same problem. So what we're going to do, we're going to replace the other side. But I don't need to do a video on that. It's exact same procedure. If you did want to do it, it's exactly the same thing as this one. So make sure you hear the clicks once it's all clicked in. So you've got this little hole right there, as you can see. That's for this little lug here, and then you've got the top one right there, which is there. So I'm going to slot her in and then push. Job done. What we're going to now do is put the screws in. Make sure we don't drop it. If it goes in there, you're going to have a problem. So you're going to have to remove the arch lining to get to the screws. It's going to be a bit of a headache. Or the nut, sorry. Or you can get a 10mm nut for it. And then all you then do is nip it up. Nip it up. That's it. So yeah, we're just going to put the cover back on at the same time while we're talking. So if you found this video useful, please do like, share and subscribe. And there's a special thanks button as well. Do click on that. And yeah, thanks for watching. Goodbye.